Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Biscoff cheesecake slices. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make the base, so grab yourself a medium sized bowl and add in the Biscoff crumbs and the melted butter and mix the two together until they are well combined. It should look a little bit more like a wet sand consistency. Once you've achieved that, you're good to go. Then you can grab yourself a cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and place the Biscoff crumbs into there and just spread a level amount until you're happy. Then press them down and compress them, and this will help to keep it in place and ensure a consistent layer. It takes a little bit of time, but it's perfect. Once you've got it, you're perfect, good to go. Set that aside until needed later on. Into another mixing bowl, place in your soft cheese, not forgetting your sugar, and mix them together until they are well combined and should be a little lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency, as you can tell. You can then go ahead and take your sour cream and your eggs and add them into the bowl, whisking them in until the mixture is fully incorporated. It should look a little something like this. Then go ahead and add in your vanilla extract and whisk it just until it's fully incorporated. And finally add in the flour and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated, being careful not to overmix this. It's very easy to do, so don't do that. Once you're happy with the consistency, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a quick scraping down. This is just to incorporate any of it that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Take your base and then carefully pour on the cheesecake topping and just spread and level that out as best as you can. It does spread itself out but not very well, so just ensure that you get into each of the corners and it's all level and consistent. I know it looks like a thin layer, but trust me, this is a very rich cheesecake and you don't need a lot of it. So a couple of hours later, once it was baked and fully cooled, I take it from the fridge and I add on a layer of Biscoff spread. It looks like a lot, that's because it is, but it's a Biscoff cheesecake, so we need as much as we can get. Plus, it's a treat, so why not treat yourself? And I'm using the crunchy, not the smooth, but feel free to use whatever you'd like. Then to top that with some even more Biscoff, I just take some Biscoff crumbs and just scatter them over the top. Again, this is completely optional and you don't have to do this, but I thought, why not? Who doesn't want more Biscoff? You can then go ahead and place this into the fridge and allow it to set fully before you slice it. Once you're happy, you can then go ahead and cut this into as many or as few portions as you would like. I went with 9, but these were very generous portions and was quite sickly, so feel free to cut it into more portions. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next time with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, I'll be in the link to this recipe, a link to my blog and a link to all of my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed, bye guys.